Some things are built to last, not because they are made of stronger metal, but because they are made with something deeper: purpose, pride, principle. For decades, Shriram Pistons and Rings Limited powered India's engines, trusted by the industry, proven by time. Today, the SPR Group stands stronger than ever. A collective of companies driven by a shared vision for the future. SPR-emf Innovations, SPR Takahata, SPR TGPEL, SPR Kana, SPR Ingenious Limited, SPR Auto Interior. With different strengths, but one direction. Building the future of mobility together. At SPR, we believe the future must be shaped responsibly. Not just with better technology, but with better values. Shriram Pistons and Rings Limited is now SPR Auto Technologies Limited, a new name for a new era, built on the same foundation that made us who we are. The name is new, the roots run deep. 6 principles, 1 team, 1 direction. This is not just a rebrand, this is a declaration. Welcome to SPR Auto Technologies Limited. Shaping progress responsibly.